student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, before starting the chapter, student, you know what is the language? You know, student, different type of language. See, like English, Hindi, Punjabi, Odia, Kannada, Malayali, French, Russian, different type of language. So according to the location, we use the different type of language. Similarly, student, in the subject, in the mathematics, chemistry, bio, computer, they have also the different type of language. All the books are in the English medium. But you see, the language of bio, the language are different. Language of physics, it are different. The language of chemistry is different. The language of commerce, the language of the computer, is different. Okay, and their symbol also different. Okay, so is the language of chemistry. With the help of such language, we easily understood what is how we write the formula of any compound. So student, you know chemistry. You know chemistry? Chemistry is the branch of science which deals the characters, properties, occurrence, behavior of all the matter, of all the things. Okay, what is their chemical composition, what is their physical composition. Okay, student. So in our surrounding, if you see, so from morning to till night, different type of changes occur in our surrounding. So student, according to the changing, it is three types. One is the physical change, second one is the chemical change, and third one is the nuclear change. Student, in the physical change, the change are reversible. Means after some time it reverse back. Like lightning, if you switch on, bulb start the glowing. If switch off, bulb stop the glowing. Means this is the physical change. Suppose that like melting of ice. If you see the water, if you keep in the water in the freezer, after 1 hour, what is the thing that the water change into the ice? Yes or no? Again you keep the ice in the outside. After 1 hour, 2 hours, what you see that? We see again the ice change into the liquid. Yes? Solid, liquid and gas. Okay. See. So ice, when you heat the ice, change the liquid form. Again you heat the liquid, change the vapor form. When vapor condense, change the liquid form. And liquid again condense, change the solid form. So this is the physical change. Okay, student? Chemical change. Chemical change are the permanent change. Means if one time the substance form, it is not possible to reverse back. Mostly chemical reaction are the permanent. It not reverse, but in the some cases it reverse back. It is some exceptional case, but mostly cases chemical reaction are the permanent change. You should remember, in all the things you see, anything solid, liquid or gas, of the such thing formed by the atom. And you know student, atom contain three subparticles: electron, proton and neutron. So the proton and neutron present in the nucleus, because neutron has no sign, no charge, zero charge, and proton has positive charge. That's why the whole nucleus is the positive and electron is the negative charge. It revolves around the nucleus. So what is their cell? What is their property? We discuss in the higher classes. But here we discuss only the electron, proton and neutron. So see that in the physical change only their state become change, but in the chemical change electron participate. Any atom lost the electron or any atom gain the electron, or they share the electron. So remember student, in the chemical change only electron participate. Means nuclear are unchanged. Proton, neutron not participate in the chemical reaction. Only electron participate in the chemical reaction. Clear? And in the nuclear change, the nucleus participate. The nucleus participate and the result whole property become changed. So studying the nuclear change we study in the higher classes. Here we discuss only the physical and chemical change. So physical change is the temporary change and chemical change is the permanent change. Exceptional some cases. Clear? So student, how we represent the process, how we represent the change. So student, with the help of chemical reaction, we easily represent the data of the change. Suppose the hydrogen react with oxygen from the water. So see hydrogen gas, oxygen gas, and water is the liquid, and these are permanent. And there after that their property also change. Like see hydrogen, highly combustible gas. Oxygen support the combustion, means without oxygen it is not possible to burn anything. And water, what is the function of water? Water stop the burning, means same opposite property. Means after the chemical reaction their property, their behavior, it become changed. So student, in chemical reaction the things who participate is known as the reactant. The two or more things who participate is known as the reactant, and after the reaction what we get, this is the product. This is the product. So question is how we represent. So student, the react, suppose that if two or more things join together, how will you add? We use plus sign. Plus sign, reactant, suppose that in the product side if you got more than one product, then you write with the plus sign. So student, this is the arrow, single headed arrow, it shows the gives, means the back side of the arrow. This is the reactant, and after that this is the product. So student, in the chemical reaction is the two types. One is the word equation, second one is the chemical equation. Word equation means see, like hydrogen plus oxygen from the water. This is the word equation. And see, H2 plus O2 from H2O. This is the chemical equation. So what is the chemical equation? The symbolic representation of any chemical reaction or any word equation is known as the chemical equation. Okay, students? So the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.